When you feel gratitude, it's as if your whole heart is opening up and you just sort of relax. And it's like, it feels yummy. It really does. And this is especially useful when things aren't going the way you want them to go. You know, it's easy to be grateful for indoor plumbing when you already have indoor plumbing. And it's easy to be grateful for a roof over your head when you have it. But when you don't have it, for example, your kids are fighting and you're just grateful that they're the times that they do get along. And you start putting this out there as how you would like it to be. Not necessarily how it is, but how you would like it to be, as if it's already done.
Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, or find us at catchiscommunity.org for updated video content and community programming. Catch is dedicated to making a difference in our community through empowering families to raise resilient and independent youth.